to shoot. Pinasa kay Baltasar for 3. No good. Rebound by Sol. Sol for 2. Rebound by Dila. Basket. Seconds to shoot. Moblak for 3. No good. Rebound by Sol. Robo ng bola. Naghahanap ng papasahan si number 7. 18 seconds to shoot. Baltasar. Traveling violation. 16 seconds to shoot for 3. Basket. Score 59-53 in favor of DTG. Remaining time 6 minutes, 15 seconds to shoot. Parang, may hawak ng bola. Parang ibuposte. Pinasa sa corner. Number 22, 4 seconds to shoot. 3. Go! 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Omla ang may talang. Omla, pinasa sa ilalim. Basket by number 11. Ian, may tama ng bola. Inira. Basket by number 6. Number 7. Number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay Bala. Basket. 13 seconds to shoot. Steal by number 19. Steal by number 11. DTG ball. 16 seconds. Number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Palang, pinasahan sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by number 11. Steal by number 7. Pinababa ang bola. Screen by Baltasar. Number 7. What a pass. Rebound to number 19. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Number 7 ang may tama ng bola. Number 10 seconds. 8. Bala. 5. No good. Rebound by Sol. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 19. To number 30. 5 seconds to shoot. Counted. Foul. 16 seconds to shoot. Number 7 may tama ng bola. Pinasa kay number 30. Block. Basket by number 7. 16 seconds to shoot. Number 7 na naman may dala ng bola. Steal. 20-second shot clock. Number 30. Dala ng bola. Foul. 19. Number 99, Steve. Number 16. Number 19 for the rebound. Pinasa kay number 57. Pinasa kay number 30. To number 19. Time out, BTG, ha? Basket by MP. Dash. Number 7, may dala ng bola. To number 22. Basket. Basket. Tingnan natin yung player of the game natin.